The 2013 Juke. The Juke is an adaptable and intelligent ride where all-wheel drive agility and handling meet turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, security system, power windows, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.